All right, so I'm back at it on the E36, and yeah, man, we on the interior. So last time I glued up the roof, so the roof was fine. Headliner straight, everything's sitting good. I mainly did it because in the back window, when you look, it was hanging. So now it's not hanging, none of that no more. But now, the C-pillars, when you really look inside, you see that right there, the little gap? So the clips broke on the C-pillars, which is, I guess, normal for these cars because they make a C-clip reinforcement kit. So if they make reinforcement kits, you know damn well, or repair kits, you know damn well that is known for failing. So I got everything up except for the C-pillars because, of course, I got to take them apart and glue them. That was messed up. I was just trying to see what I can do, see if I can make something fit, but ain't working. So I'm about to get that kit, wait for that to come in so I can finish putting the C-pillars up. In the meantime, I started detailing the interior. So this side is leather conditioned and clean. This side's leather conditioned and clean. And that side's not leather conditioned and clean. So what I'm gonna do now, in the meantime, I think the parts should be here Monday. Today is Saturday, so 2 days. I'm waiting for that to come, and then probably Tuesday, because I gotta wait a day for it to dry. So maybe Tuesday I should be putting it in. In the meantime, I figured I'd just finish detailing. So detail that side, detail that side, so I can show you guys the difference. And then now I'm gonna do that side. Then after I do that side, I already vacuumed, cleaned everything, covered up the wires, got everything looking nice. Then I'll put the bench in. I'm gonna detail the bench and put the bench in. And then they got these little two sides for the armrests. I'm gonna wait to put those on and detail those because I gotta put those on when I do the C-pillars. So maybe Tuesday, that'll be done, and then the back seat will be finished up. And then since I've been noticing things, the more I clean, look at this seat belt. Look how dirty it is. It's that rust or whatever. So I want to detail the seat belts, clean everything, okay, whatever dirt or dust was on them. Anything, clean the seat belts, detail them. Basically clean and detail every little part that's in this car. I want this interior to be clean. Also, I'm gonna order like an eBay radio or Amazon radio, like a cheap flip out. See how that works, and we're gonna do a review on that. And then I got some speakers coming, and I already got an amp and a sub, so we should be beating, have it cracking. Then for the A-pillars, I just use a screw. I'm gonna paint it black. That's easy. Just put it in there, bang, put a screw. Ain't gonna worry about nothing. The back, you can't put screws because, I don't know, I'm kind of scared to drill it into the body. And then on top of drilling into the body, I'm kind of scared of and not holding down right, and I didn't drill into the car for nothing. At least on here, I drilled in. See, it's not going through. It has like a gang of space, so nothing was harmed while doing that. And also, I'm gonna take this off and paint this. So maybe I might start doing that today, maybe. Take the trim off on both sides. Start sanding it down, getting it ready for paint. Probably paint it on during the week when the rain stops. But in the meantime, like I said, I'm gonna leather condition these two, and we'll be in the game. And then do the bench, put the bench in, and then bang. At least some of the back will be done. And then we'll move to the front. So I gotta clean up the door cards. This side, clean up the door card, do that. I think I got a little crack somewhere. Yeah, right there. But luckily it didn't crack down there. So it's good. But I was gonna put some epoxy in the back. And then that's pretty much it. Clean all that. Clean the dashboard, all that. Shifter, all that. I wanna get like a suede shift knob. Also fix that. Clean all that up. Slides, everything clean, man. Put a radio in here, have it just clean, so it can actually be M3. See, look, the carpet start getting dirty a little bit from me getting in and out already. So for sure, I'm gonna get some floor mats. I gotta order some floor mats for it. And I gotta order the piece that goes under here on the bottom, because to me that just looks tacky. And then I gotta order the piece for the hood trim. And I gotta find me a new hood, which I found one in the junkyard. And yeah, I think I'll be good, man. I think I'll be good after I do all that. So enough me yip yapping and jaw jacking. Let's get it.